think life is really begin at 40. Life has knocked me down, but now I'm rising from the ashes like a phoenix. It feels like a dream, yet very real. How is in my 40s, I feel more alive than in my 20s. I feel like I'm being reborn again. I guess one big cycle is completed. My divorce is the best and biggest catalyst so far. It literally annihilates all the things that is not the real me. I think the common pitfall in humanity is we always look outside when triggers come. We blame our partner, the virus, childhood condition, we blame our parents. I used to blame everybody in my life because I was in the victimhood mentality. Those things really sap our life energy, yet put us on the hamster wheel and continuous suffering. Most people don't realize that they are suffering. They think this is how life should feel, so they take it as normal because everybody is doing the same thing. One quote says that unobserved life is not worth living. Why live a life that is not worth living? How do we know whether our life is a good one or not? Your heart will tell you. When you're honest, your feelings and emotion are the indicator of a good life. The most important relationship in the world is the one with ourselves. When we are in alignment with who we truly are, then life will be meaningful and magical. I love solitude. I observe my minds, my desire, my emotion. It is important to be emotionally self-sufficient so that we are not using others to fulfill our needs. In my marriage, I didn't realize that I have born a deep codependent relationship with my ex. Unconsciously, I want him to make me feel worthy and wanted. I also need his validation because I didn't trust myself. When we haven't put the effort to look inward, life will be a constant struggle and suffering. That is one of the takeaways from my divorce, to own my mistake, find the root and then heal. My past mistakes was my own co-creation. The mistakes alongside with the consciousness will become wisdom. After divorce, I found love that I have been looking everywhere. It is the love for myself, the most profound love in this entire universe. I feel at home, I feel safe, I feel rich, I feel success, I feel fucking good to be alive. I feel amazing. Yes, that is the side effect of love, the pure love for our own soul, the love that is overflowing. There is sun after rain and love after pain. Life is always amazing, but it is up to us to choose. Many people didn't know what love is. They think they know, but they didn't. We try hard to love people, but they can't feel it because it's not love. To love is to understand. We can't love because we don't know how to listen and attune to the others. We have the tendency to judge, correct, and giving unsolicited advice. Our loved ones only wants to express themselves with freedom. This is the best gift we can give to others, the space to just be. We are a human being and not a human doing. Until we love ourselves fully, we will not be able to hold space for our loved ones. Therefore, our loved one will not feel loved by us. Don't try to love people. Instead, try to understand them. Be a deep listener. Look into their eyes. Free yourself from judgment and wanting to save them. Love yourself first. Accept all parts of you. Don't run away from your depression. Don't distract your sadness with food. Don't shove down your anger. To love ourselves means that we have to face all the uncomfortable emotions with no judgment. We have to feel it to heal. There are no other ways. This is how we love ourselves. To love is to feel everything with a light of awareness, no exceptional. It is not easy, but surely it will make your life amazingly beautiful. Success for me is inside first. When I love myself, I can feel the whole world is inside me. I felt abundant and joy is on the background of my mind. I feel enough and worthy of everything the world can offer me. I see so many poor rich people. Money is all they have. All I can see is their projection of unhappy life. Well, we all need money, of course, but don't let it be your king. Don't let money diminish your kindness and your love. How amazing is God, or source or the universe. They always gave us the lesson that we need to our expansion and growth. It is always legit. When we see any life obstacles as an invitation to level up, we will not feel hatred towards life. Life is like a video game. You have to beat the monster on level 1 first to proceed to level 2. Many people stuck their entire life on level 1. They keep repeating the same pattern and behavior. I've seen this on baby boomers generation, like my parents. I finally realized that life is all about how I respond to life. It is not about the other person, it's all about me. How do I feel? What traits in me that feel triggered by that person? Every external things are a mirror that we need to experience. Let's say that someone is making you angry. The anger is your key to unlock something precious. The anger shows hidden trauma that haven't been dealt with. Life after divorce is so liberating. I have freed myself from the prison of the generational trauma. I have freed myself from my false persona and the matrix. After divorce, I finally reunite again with my long-lost magical soul. Being in the insanity of the world makes me forgotten to come back to my origin. I believe every human's deepest core is the same, which is love, freedom, and magic. We have forgotten our home. Don't let the world turn you bitter and depressed. You have looked in the wrong direction. Every day is a new chance to choose. Look into your heart. Feel the love that is always there. You are always guided. Use whatever happened to you now as a guidance. The more painful it is, the jackpot is greater than you think. The universe is never punishing us or test us. They always know the best way so we can heal and evolve. Everything that is happening is always the things that we need. Check in with your heart today. How do you see your life? Is there any shift or adjustment that you need to make? Because life is always good. Thank you so much for watching this. I really appreciate it. I'll see you again in the next video. Please subscribe if you feel resonated with me. Thank you.